Hi, I'm Carson Block. I am your facilitator for a training that's coming up, an in-person training called Confidently Equipping Your Library for Content Challenges. Now, we know that there's been an increase in content challenges for libraries across the country. The truth is, though, content challenges could and should happen about any time. So the purpose of this training is for us to get together. We're going to build upon some excellent training that Barry Trott has already presented and shared with you called Dealing with Complaints About Library Materials. So we're going to use that as a basis, but then we're going to build your confidence by having time to practice. So we're going to go through different scenarios, look at things that where we can create our policies, make sure that we have our policies in a good order, that they're nice and strong, and practice this very important skill in looking at things. So after this session, participants will be able to assess your library's current policies and procedures around collection development and public processes, better understand the dynamics of handling challenges in 21st century libraries, and be prepared to fill gaps in library policies and procedures around materials challenges. So I hope you'll join me. We've got the save the date out. We'll be at 3 different locations throughout the state. I can't wait to get together and to work this out and to work together and walk out feeling confident going forward. Thanks so much.